name is Mayur. I am working with Infosys as a lead professional for training and development. I also do coaching and counseling as the need basis. The feedback for this workshop, it has been amazing, especially Pallavi's style of teaching has been excellent. So I didn't find it as a workshop, more I found it like a coaching experience for the entire parenting workshop. A lot of tips, a lot of things to learn. A few things which I will definitely do after this workshop. One is apply it on my kids at home. Second is I'll definitely use it in my coaching sessions and counseling. And the third is I'm now excited to go and share it with my employees within my organization. So thank you so much.
My name is Pune Verma. First of all, thank you so much for the wonderful workshop. And I'm working as a school counselor. And with that, I'm having my personal counseling sessions with some other kids also. And from this workshop, I have a lot of things. I learned a lot of things. As far as the leader, that is Pallavi ma'am. In fact, the Pallavi given us a very good guidance, and the communication skill is fabulous, awesome. So all things done very popular, very nicely and well organized, well planned workshop it was. And I really hope hoping for the next workshop too of CBT specifically. I really want to join it as a next workshop for the CBT. So thank you so much for the wonderful workshop.